Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to briefly analyze Bristol Mayers Squibb. First we'll find out its dividend score, and after that we'll check the valuation with the help of fast graphs. With a market cap of $154 billion, the current stock price is 73.15. They operate in the pharmaceuticals industry. During the last 10 years, they have underperformed the S&P 500 a bit, and that is with dividends reinvested both for Bristol Myers and the S&P 500. Let's check out some financial data. Amazing sales growth, 19%. The earnings growth is a bit low, 3.3%. The forward estimates of the earnings is also a bit low, 4.88%. The return of capital also a bit weak, 7.2%. The debt compared to the free cash flow they are generating is at 2.95 years. And now for some yield data. A nice dividend yield of almost 3%. They bought back a ton of shares last year, a buyback yield of 4.65%. Payout ratio is low, 27%, and the dividend growth rate is at 6.36%, and they have been growing this dividend for 12 consecutive years. That makes up for a dividend score of 7 out of 10 points, not too bad. Now let's check the valuation in fast graphs. First off, let's check how their earnings are going. We can see that during the recession 2008-2009 that they fared very well. After that they had some stagnant years, but from 2015 and up they have been growing their earnings per share like crazy. And over this 15-year period they have grown their earnings at almost 12% annually, which is super good. If we also plot the normal PE, which the stock trades at, and check the current price, we can actually see that right now it's trading at a very fair valuation, a PE of only 9.6 compared to its normal PE over this period, which is 18. So if we project out to late 2024, if it's gonna trade at its normal PE and what the analyst expects, we can actually see an annual rate of return of over 38%. Now might actually be a really good time to add into Bristol Mayers Squibb if you are interested in this company. If you found this video informative, please boop the like button. See you next time. Hej då!